Let me demonstrate very quickly how the midterm exam works. If you took the practice exam, it still works almost exactly the same way. In fact, the instructions are still available from that exam, which are a more detailed video. This one is much more abbreviated just to get at the essence of it. Keep in mind, for the purposes of this demo, that I'm running in the instructor mode in Canvas, not student mode, so my screens will look different. I'm filming this the day before the exam, which means it won't actually be visible in WebAssign when I get there. And because I'm recording a video of all of this, my webcam won't work quite the same way. So other than those significant differences, let me show you roughly how everything is going to work in the exam. So start by going to the instructions. I recommend going to a new window. If you forget to, that's okay, because you'll find you have opportunities on other places to make sure you're in a separate window. So get to the instructions page and review all the instructions, go through the whole thing, make sure you understand what has changed relative to the practice exam. But at some point you'll feel you're ready. You've got your ID out, you're ready to go, but you can actually begin the web course quiz. So using this link here in the instructions will guarantee that it opens in a different window. So it takes you to that new window. You'll sit there, you can start to take your quiz as you go through. Again, I'm here as an instructor, so my webcam's not operating while this software is running, but make sure it sees you in this window as it goes through. The software is loading for me, but it's not showing me because of the way I'm recording this video, but it does think it's doing that for the purpose of my demo. So once you're in the quiz, basically answer the first attestation question saying you're going to follow the instructions, and you can use this link here toward the bottom to go to your modules page back in a separate window. So notice it opens a different modules page. The recording is still going on back here in the quiz window as I go through. It's not taking me to WebAssign, it's taking me back to my module, so I can come here to the midterm exam in WebAssign, and I can click on that now in this new window as I go through. And that will take me into WebAssign the way I would normally see it when I go in for my homework. It logs me in fine, it'll log you in fine. The U8E1 exam isn't here right now because I'm recording this a day early and it's not visible yet, but you'll see the midterm exam here. In fact, that's all you'll see here during the exam is the actual exam that you'll be taking as you go through. So at some point you take your exam, go ahead and submit it, get it all done. At that point you can close your exam window, which will bring you back to the quiz. Scroll down, answer the second question, and then go ahead and submit this quiz. With this quiz submitted, you'll have your 2 out of 2. You can now close the quiz window. It takes you back to the instructions if that's a convenient place to go, and go to the midterm exam scrap paper assignment, which again, it doesn't show submit for me because I'm here as an instructor. You'll see your submit button to be able to submit your scrap paper as you go through. Having done that, you're now finished with all the instructions. You can go ahead and close all the windows.